Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. We do have a Facebook group site, which you can see the link in front of you. Plus, I will have it in the description box listed below. I am the Mini Kit Monday host for the month of November, and I selected this photo as our inspiration piece from Pinterest and 5 tic-tac-toe boards to help you use up your scrappy supplies and scrapbook those memories. And for layout number 4 for me, I chose this tic-tac-toe board that you see in front of you, and I am going straight across in the middle, and I'm going to use apple embellishment, word stickers, and tabs. Next, I'm going to show you the products within my page kit. So I have some alpha words right here that are from Simple Stories, and then I slipped in there all my little whatnots that I pre-selected to possibly use on this layout. So I have a rain boot, I have cork, I have wood veneer, I have my apple chipboard piece, I have a cork piece, I have my tabs, I have ephemera from a Becky collection, and then I will show you my photograph real briefly, but I'll come back to you about the story behind the photograph in a minute. I have a green scrap paper that's very textured, and 3 12 by 12 papers from As You Grow collection from Close to My Heart, which is still available. I am a consultant, and I will have the link listed below. For my base layer, which is the gray tone-on-tone wood grain, then we have that kind of large gingham print, which is the different tones of green with a little bit of the glacier color. And I cut that one 11 by 11. Then I am going to double mat my photograph, first using black cardstock from Close to My Heart, and I'm going to do like maybe 1/8 of an inch border all around my photograph. Then I will bring in that third pattern paper from that collection, As You Grow from Close to My Heart, and I'm going to create a larger border, and it's probably, I'm going to say maybe 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And I'm going to place that closer to the top of this layout. Now here's one of those very, very large succulents from a Becky collection. I think it might have been from the Storyline collection. Not sure, but if you want to know for sure, then you need to go to my kit reveal, which was the first Monday of November. All right, and now I layered on top of it this die cut, which is kind of like a map of the city, and it says You Are Here. And then I put those rain boots there, but then I moved them away, but they will come back. I take that scrap green paper, which is this beautiful texture, almost kind of like tissue paper, but thicker, and I tuck that under just to highlight more of the green in the photograph of the trees. So if you look closely to the right, you'll see that there are some trees in the background, and this photograph is not a real close, crisp photograph, but it is of my little guy riding his grandfather's four-wheeler, and his uncle is to the left on the golf cart. Now I placed that rose and succulent in the lower left-hand corner from the Becky collection. Now, I probably would have not used this on this layout. It would be fine without having that rose there. It kind of seems a little bit out of place based on the photograph, but it ties in with my boot, so it brings your eye diagonally across. So you don't always have to match your ephemera to the scenery of your photograph or the event of your photograph. You can strictly go by colors, but if you wanted to scraplet this, you could forego putting a big succulent in the lower left-hand corner. As you can see, my title is going to be Family Together, and I'll add a butterfly, I add that apple embellishment, I add my tab over to the left side of the photograph. Up at the top, I add some enamel dots, one in an emerald green, red, and then I will add a black Nuvo drop because I could not find a black enamel dot. And then I will add some splatters. While I am just a little bit ahead of myself, I want to remind you that I will have Becky and Kathy's link to their channel so that you can go see what they created this Monday. Give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribers, we would love to have you as subscribers, so subscribe to our channel. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. Been trying to reach that since July. It is taking 6 months to get 20 new subscribers, but oh well, it's a-okay. All right, so I'm showing you that I use dilution spray and black marble to add just a little bit of splatters. And like I said, this layout is complete. Thank you for following along. We appreciate you all. Most of all, we want you to get out your scrappy supplies, get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and we will see you next time. And here are the close-ups. All right, bye. Oh, and don't forget to go check out our Facebook group site and be inspired by the ladies that are participating this month, in the month of November. We'll see you next time. Bye.